This is an update video for the windows, so you can see that when other people have been messing about with it, trying to get the sealant out and stuff, they've bent the aluminium and that. So what we're going to do is put in this rubber, which is like 10 mil, which is exactly the thickness that we want. And then what we do once we've put the rubber in there is we just take a pair of nips like this, because aluminium's really soft metal. And then what we do is we press up on it, but we be gentle. And then we just move along and we just press up on it, but we be gentle. And there's a bit of a tear in it there, so what I might have to do is work the tear back, which is difficult to do while I'm holding my phone. You hold my phone, come round here. Put it on there like that. I can get on the table proper. That's it. That's it. Come on. That's it. No, it's probably gone a wee bit too far the other way. Check the rubber on. You just keep playing about with it like this.